Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn Chinese. This is the next lecture for Chinese HSK2 level. Okay, so those people who want to come to China, as a student, I want to work in China. They must understand and learn some Chinese. So if you're interested in learning Chinese, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Chinese language is very important if you want to be in China or study in China. Let's start our new lesson. Okay, so the first word is bang, help. It means help. Bang means help. Okay, so if we want to pronounce this word, means we can say bang, and it means help. Okay, so there is a sentence which means Lao Shi, Ban Chu, Shi Shi Chong Mo, teacher please help me in studying Chinese. Okay, so the Lao Shi means teacher, Ban Chu means help, Wa me, Shi Shi is study, and Chong Mo is studying. So the teacher, the student is Lao Shi, Ban Chu or Shi Shi Chong Mo, teacher please help me learn Chinese. Bang means help. Okay, and the second word Chang means sing. Okay, that's the character. You must understand and learn this character anyway. So Chang means say. Chang means sing. She found Chang. Okay, she likes to sing. She found Chang. She likes to sing. She found Chang. She likes to sing. Okay, the next word is where. 我今年穿了一条红衣服。Okay, so this word is 穿 means wear. 我今年穿了一个红衣服。I'm wearing a red dress today. Okay, so what does it mean? That means I am wearing a red dress today. Chuan means wear. Okay, so the next word is wrong. So okay, so means wrong. Chagadang shi soda. Okay, it means this is wrong. Chagadang shi soda. So means wrong. Okay, the next word is introduce. Jiao Jai Shao. Introduce. How to say introduce in Chinese? 介绍，经理介绍，一下自己，经理介绍，一下自己。Okay, so the next word is 觉得 feels, then 觉得 means feels, then 我想都是好。It means I think I need to read good. 我觉得我想读书好。我觉得我想读书好。Okay, 这个 means feels think. Okay, the next word is 开始 means start. 下个开始吧 means class is starting. Kaishi means start. Okay, the next word is Kaoshi exam. Mengtian Yao Changwon Kaoshi. Tomorrow is Chinese exam. Okay, Kaoshi means exam. Liu Washian Chu Chongwa. Liu, I want to go to China for action. Okay. Washian Chu Chongwa. Liu means trip. Mine is 他会时常买水果，他会时常买水果。Okay, so it means she is in a strong. My means fruits. My means food. Okay, 他会时常买水果。Okay, it means he is in a strong. Selling some fruits. Okay, the next word is slow. Man. Ni short time mala. You say it's too slow. Ni short time mala. Okay, slow. Man. Ni short time mala. Slow means time. Slow means man. Okay, beside. Pang being beside. Papangyo so Wapan. My friend is sitting beside me. Papangyo so Wapan. My friend is sitting beside me. Wife. She's a happy wife is so beautiful. She's a happy wife is so beautiful. Actually, she's a bushy friend. Actually, I don't like coffee. Just you are bushy coffee. Just you are bushy coffee. Okay, it means I don't like. Actually, I don't like coffee. Okay, so just means actually. Hope. She want Mingtian bushy you. I hope there will be no rain tomorrow. Hope means how to say hope in English? No, in Chinese it means Shima Mingtian Bushya Shayu. I hope there will be no rain tomorrow. Okay, Shiza, take a bath. Shiza means take a bath. Mingtian Wan. Shiza, I will take a bath tomorrow. Mingtian One Shiza, I take a bath every day. Okay, one Mingtian One Shiza, I take a bath every day. Ichi together. Ichi cho Shisha. We go to school together. Eating already. Eating Chifala. The meal is already. No, we have already eaten. Eaten already Chifala. Already eaten. Okay, turn back prepare. I'm preparing for the exam. Wow. 参赛成败考试，或战胜成败考试。Okay, very hard. Finally, she lost. Finally won the game. Very hard man. Very sad. Very hard. Woman in very sad. Finally we won the exam. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and share my video if you like.